Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. Okay, so we're comparing the Nexgrill Fortress 2-burner B0CXJMJ9FF and the Weber Spirit 2E-310 B077JTCMKQ. First off, size-wise, it's like comparing a compact car to an SUV, right?
Totally. The Nexgrill is a portable tabletop grill with 263 square inches of cooking space, while the Weber boasts a much larger 529 square inches. So big difference there.
Yeah, and that Nexgrill only puts out 13,500 BTUs with its 2 burners, whereas the Weber cranks out 30,000 BTUs with 3 burners. That Weber is going to heat up faster and probably handle larger grilling loads easier, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. Think about it. If you're just grilling for yourself or maybe one other person, the Nexgrill is perfect. Easy to transport, quick to clean. But if you're regularly cooking for a family or having friends over, that Weber's extra space and power are a must.
Good point. I also noticed the Nexgrill is aluminum and cast iron, designed to be portable, and even has a griddle insert. The Weber is porcelain enameled cast iron and is made for staying put. It weighs a whopping 109 pounds compared to the Nexgrill's 28.7 pounds.
Exactly, the Nexgrill is built for convenience and portability. The Weber's more of a backyard staple. And the Weber has that open cart design, which is nice for storing your grilling tools.
Right, and the Weber has a fuel gauge, which is pretty handy. The Nexgrill has a built-in thermometer in the lid, which is also useful.
Price is a big factor too, though. The Nexgrill is way more affordable. The Weber can be significantly more expensive depending on where you buy it.
True. The Nexgrill is a great value for what you get. The Weber is an investment in a higher-end grilling experience.
It really comes down to what you need. Small and portable, or large and powerful. Occasional grilling or serious barbecue enthusiast?
Spot on. And don't forget the reviews. The Weber has way more reviews and a slightly higher rating, so that's something to consider too.
Good catch. So both are good grills, just for different purposes and different budgets.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.